What's the meaning of afro? Afro. 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 The prefix Afro is used to refer to African or African-derived peoples, cultures, or characteristics. It has its roots in the word Africa, and is often used to describe cultural expressions that draw inspiration from African traditions, such as music, dance, fashion, and art. This prefix is also used in scientific terms related to African flora, fauna, and geology. Overall, Afro denotes a strong connection to the African continent and its diverse heritage, including but not limited to Black identity and culture.